Hey guys, what's up? It is Kavine here. Courtney's in the kitchen and together we are Majestic Love. So I came down here yesterday. I had like 3 days off, but I was like, you know what, my original plan was to stay here, was to stay in America for 3 months before I come back. I was supposed to grind and then come back, but girl, I miss my man, so I'm here now and he's in the kitchen. I always say I'm gonna vlog from leaving my house to actually meeting him at the airport, but I just be always hustling and bustling. So yeah, I'm gonna show you him now. First of all, this is not good lighting. So here he is, guys. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
What you here doing? He's making curry fish. Can you say about the cooking of the relationship? Because I just don't be doing it. You miss them, babe? Huh? We have 219 subscribers, y'all. Yay! So yeah, babe's cooking right now. As you guys know, I'm quarantined, so I can't go nowhere. Low-key pissed, but whatever. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Talk to y'all later. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kavine here. Courtney's missing, but together we are Majestic Love. So guys, today I had to come to you guys with this video because Courtney is saying that I'm not domesticated, right? You know, foreign life kind of change you more while like I don't be washing and, you know, cooking and cleaning and doing all that extra Jamaican shit. So I kind of lost that when I came here, when I came to the States when I was 17. So I'm kind of trying to regain that back, being that we're together more than we have been in the past. I was supposed to go up yesterday, but I like canceled my trip. I was just like, I'm loving the islands right now. Everything seems more relaxed, so I canceled my trip for yesterday, so I'm staying an extra week. All right, so domesticated, I'm gonna put the definition somewhere here, but he's saying I'm not. So guys, I plan on changing his mind today about me not being domesticated, so I'm gonna do the domesticated type of things today. Okay, but I think he's wrong, but whatevs. So I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna capture his reaction when he comes home. I plan on cooking, probably tidying up the place a little bit, and then yeah, we'll see how he reacts to my domesticated ways. And I plan to prank him too, so stay tuned, y'all. So y'all, the first thing I'm gonna need to tackle is this room and how messy it is. Like I literally woke up out of bed and like just left it like that. So I'm gonna try to clean up this room. All right, that's the first thing I'm gonna tackle, but I'm probably gonna play some music right now too. First I'm gonna turn on YouTube. Domesticated Aishana. So you know, girl, I forget in the zone. Domesticated by Aishana is my domesticated song. Okay, let's go.
Girl, they in a dance and wine and them pussy dirty.
so it's evening time now, and I started about 12 something, but I cleaned up the place. I'm gonna show y'all what I did. You know that cooking thing that make you extra domesticated? Yeah, so in the meantime I'm watching some Meet the Mitchells while doing all that work. It's about 3 o'clock now. Courtney's scheduled to get home about 3:30, so we'll see. I'm trying to not cook so early. I'm trying not to cook so early because I don't want I want the food to be hot and ready, like a real domesticated wife. Can y'all tell I'm exhausted? I have a newfound respect for housewives, women that stay home and take care of the home and do all that stuff. I have mighty hats off to you guys. By the way, shout out to Meet the Mitchells. Like, they are my new obsession. And the Virgos, which is Romain Virgo and his wife, mother of his children, just started a YouTube channel, so go check out the Virgos. And I love Meet the Mitchells. Oh shit, you guys, I thought this was a ghost. Anyway, let me show you the place and stop the chatting. All right, so nothing is perfect, but it's the trying that counts. So basically, put up some different curtains. I set up the chair and the couch here, cleaned it off, put up some new curtains, and you know, clean off that thing there. So all my domestication looking, y'all. It's cute, right? Yeah. And clean enough, and right now I beheaded some fish because I'm gonna make him some fish and white rice. So yeah, that's all, folks. Whoa. Oh, mosquito right here, so like no reads, you guys. Like the mosquito them here, so no normal. But yeah, I'm about to do this fish right now. This is what, grunt fish. This fish though are really raw, like raw. I'm gonna turn down the Meet the Mitchells. Guys, this is my drinks cup. Like it says Dear Saturday, and this is my mood forever. Like, Saturday, where are you? I realize I'm not drinking enough water, so my face, like my pee is like TMI, but just not like water. I'm trying to drink more water. Let's get to cooking. Using some fish seasoning on the fish. I'll show you guys all when it's done. I didn't feel like making a cooking video, so I'll show you when it's done. Peace. Who's this? Let's go see Uncle Courtney. In the morning. Who made dinner? Here